All right, guys, welcome to the DM and Friends. My name is DM Angelo, and today I wanted to just talk about Tim Kask a little bit. Most of you guys know that he passed away 2 days ago, and yeah, like many of us, I woke up yesterday morning to Jim's post letting everybody know. Jim Wampler was probably one of his closest friends. You know. Tim was an icon. He was a huge part of the old school gaming, community. And First of all, I don't know if a lot of you guys knew this. He was a veteran who served overseas, and he was also TSR's first employee, official employee. He was the editor of Strategic Review and Dragon Magazine in the early days. He was very involved in putting together AD&D with Gary. He's told me several stories about them just sorting out rule sets from the different versions back then and what they were going to take and what they weren't. And he and then went on afterwards. He was at the Eldritch Enterprises and all kinds of other stuff that he did. Just a huge influence on the community. Been there since the very beginning of Dungeons and Dragons, the early days. You know, I'm just I feel very lucky because I actually got to know him and speak with him quite a bit. So, I first met him in 2014 online, and then that later that year in at GaryCon, and and then I was fortunate enough to do a kind of a long-term project with him. It was not gaming related; it was more HMGS related. But brought gave me the opportunity to talk to him more and get to know Tim. Talk gaming. That's what we talked about, and and it was phone calls and the Zoom calls and stuff like that. Like even recently, I want to say two weeks ago or at tops, I was on a Zoom call with him regarding uh, like I said, this said project. Kind of wrapping that up, and we only spent 5 minutes talking about that, and then the rest of the conversation was an hour and a half of us talking about D&D. And that's how my conversations would go with him. I'd stay on for and quite some. I knew if I was going to talk with him, it'd be a while. But we would just talk about D&D and how. And I love the fact that he was so open with me, just asking him questions, and I felt like I'd become a better dungeon master because of some of the input that he and some of the tips and tricks and insight that he gave me. um, yeah, it was definitely gonna be missed. Definitely gonna be missed. I know a lot of you guys got the opportunity to talk with him and to and have experiences and because he was such an open easy person to walk up to and talk to and an easy person to get to know. And At least that was my experience. But one of the things that one of the takeaways that I have uh, from him is, I used to always talk to him about improv because he had his Wheel of Blame series that, I played in several times. I'm sure a lot of you guys did, where he would do the index cards and then improv it based on everybody's input. I always used to talk to him about that. And one thing he told me very early on, he turned me on to was the story dice. And he said, get a bunch of story dice and try that. And so I got some story dice and tried some games or tried writing some games with that. And that's something that I always remember is he was very off the cuff, very able to just make, stuff up whenever he needed to. But one thing back here, uh, I don't know if I'm sure a lot of you guys have these too, but this is one of many that I have from him. But he used to give these out at GaryCon And he'd be super happy about TPK in the party, but he'd hand out these little plaques, these little wooden plaques that he made. And it says, I went to GaryCon and all I got was TPK'd by Tim Kask. And thought that's pretty funny. He'd hand these out. And actually got him to, I'd like always, get him to sign it. And this is probably early GaryCon because I think after a while he started putting a date there. I could be wrong, but I think my other ones have dates on them. Um, but yeah, this was pretty cool little momentum, to remember him by. But I'll put it back here and keep it on my shelf. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not very good at this kind of stuff, but definitely you're going to be missed, Tim. And really just want to say appreciate everything you've done, man, for this community. You sure have made it fun, and I've learned a lot, and going to be missed. Going to be missed. Thank you, and till next time. All right.